Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome again. Okay, so today we will discuss about division of fractions. Alright, so in last class we had discussed multiplication of fractions with the whole number and also multiplication of two fractions. Now let us see division of fractions. Okay, so first with the whole number, let the whole number is number by a fraction. So here I took one example, 2 divide 2 with 1 by 4. So 2 divided by 1 by 4. Let me show you with a pictorial representation what does this mean. Okay, after that we will go for your how exactly you will do your multiplication by just by simplification. Okay, so you have two rectangles, this is 1 and 2. Okay, there are two full rectangles. So when this is 2 is divided into divided by 1 by 4, so that means this 2 you are dividing in 4 equal parts like this each. So this one whole is divided into 4 equal parts, so all this you'll have is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and here it is also 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So how many 1 by 4s are there in two wholes? So this 2 whole, okay, it is divided into 8. Yes, what you can say, 8 1 by 4. You have 8 1 by 4ths, okay, in 2. Alright, this means that 2 when divided by 1 by 4 you will get 8. Okay, so if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let me take one more example. I have 3 divided by 1 by 4. So if I take 3 rectangles like this, okay, so let me take one more here. Okay, so this 3 whole 1 2 3, they are divided by 1 by 4. That is, you need to divide it each part into 4, each rectangle into 4 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4. So each one will give you 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, isn't it? So all this in this you will get how many? This is also 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So when you divide, okay, 3 wholes with 1/4 of it, okay, when dividing that you will get 12 answer. That means my answer when 3 is divided by 1 by 4, it is equal to 12. Okay, this is just pictorial representation what I'm showing. So this is how it explains, it is being explained in terms of figures. Okay, now let me show you direct simplification. So you have 2 1 by 4, okay, sorry, 2 divided by 1 by 4. So what does this mean? It's how to simplify. So what you will do is, it's a rule 2, you first convert this into multiplication. Okay, like how we've converted addition with minus with addition, additive inverse. The same way for converting this division into multiplication, they are both they are reciprocal. Division and multiplication, they are just reverse. Okay, so I will take reciprocal of 1 by 4, that will be 4. So I will get 8. So that is what we got with the pictorial representation. Okay, so what is reciprocal? If you have 1 by 2, reverse of or reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be equal to how much? 2. If I have 5 by 3, okay, reverse or reciprocal of 5 by 3 is equal to how much? Just numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Okay, so your 5 by 3 will be 3 by 5. Then 6 by 10, what? It is 10 by 6. Alright, It's very easy. So any fractions, you have something to divide. Okay, the whole number. If I am taking one more example, if I have suppose 10 divided by something 2 by 3. Okay, so by using this reciprocal this thing, you will convert this into multiplication and reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So my answer will be 30 by 2. Alright, very easy. Just you need to remember, like how in integers we had seen positive. Okay, if we have 3 of minus 1, okay, 3 plus of minus 1, in order to convert this into negative, we took additive inverse of this number. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Similarly, your multiplication and division, they are reverse of each other. Okay, so that's why you will just convert this into multiplication and reverse this. Alright, now if I I got this. One more thing I want you to show is, this is not the standard form. Okay, so 30 divided by 2, you can cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So you will get 15 by 1 or 15. It is one and the same. So this is your standard form or basic form. So always you should write your answers in your standard form. This type of answers is not acceptable. So in your normal this thing, every time you should keep, after calculation or after simplification of fractions, you need to keep them in the standard form. Remember this, lowest form or standard form. Okay, lowest form, then standard form. Okay, they are all same. Basic form, all these three are same. Okay, so normally you should keep them in lowest form or standard form or basic form. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let me take few more examples on division. It's very simple. So if you have to divide a whole number like 20 divided by 6 by 5, suppose. Okay, so what I will do, I will may convert this into multiplication. 20 into this, reverse of this will be 5 by 6. Okay, so now 20 into 5 is how much? 100 by 6. So cancel this. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s is 10. Okay, so our answer is 50 by 3. So this 50 by 3 is the lowest form. Your answer can also be 100 by 6, but this is not the lowest form because it is not the standard form which we want to show. So our standard form is 50 by 3. Okay. Alright, so let us see now a fraction divided by dividing with a fraction. So now let's see division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay, let me take one example. Like I have 1 by 2, it is divided in by some 1 by 3. Okay, so just convert this into multiplication. Half, okay, into reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Okay, 3 by 1, 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. This will be equal to, now multiplication, so you will just multiply denominator, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So this will be 3 by 2. Isn't it the same we did? You can take this as 20 by 1. So 20 into 5 will be 100 divided by 1 into 6 is 6. Let's take few more example. If I have 2 by 3 divided by, okay, 10 by 12. So if I convert this into multiplication, division, so this will be into reciprocal of 10 by 12 is 12 by 10. Okay, you need to take reciprocal. In reciprocal, what will happen? Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Okay, this is 12 by 10. So now just multiplication, we already seen how to multiply. Numerator, you need to multiply with numerator, denominator with denominator. So this will be how much? 24 divided by 30. 12 to 2 is 24, 10 3 is 30. Now this is not the standard form. What is the standard form? We can cut this number 24 by 30. If I cut with 2, 2 1s as 2, 2 2s as 4. 2 1s as 2, 2 5s as 15. Can we cut more? Yes, but in 3 table you can get 12, you get 12 and 15. So 3 4s is 12, 3 5s is 15. Now I can't cut further because 4 and 5 will not come in the same table. So 24 by 30 is nothing but 4 by 5. So standard or basic form of 24 by 30 is what? It is 4 by 5. Alright. So remember, you need to keep your answer in standard form. Okay, standard form is also called as basic form. Alright, or this is also called as what is that? Lowest form. Okay, this all three are same. So every time when you do any simplification, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, for all the fractions you need to put them in the standard form. So one more part is left out is fraction divided by a whole number. So we had seen whole number divided by fraction, isn't it? Now let's see a fraction divided by a whole number. Okay, it's same as that of your two fractions division. Okay, if we simplify this directly, so it is going to be 1 by 2. First convert this into multiplication, and 4 by 1, if I take reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. So my answer will be 1 by 8. Okay, let's see this in terms of figures. Okay, so let me first plot half. So I have a rectangle. Now I'm dividing it into two parts, one each giving me half. Okay, so now this is, each half is divided into four parts now. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now when half is divided into four parts, each one will be 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So your answer will be this division. Okay, each division is how much? It is 1 by 8. So this is your answer from the pictorial representation. Let's do similarly for this 2 by 3 for two fractions. Alright, so I have already drawn this. So if you have 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2, first let's plot 2 by 3. Okay, for 2 by 3, first if you draw 1 by 3. Okay, so you have a rectangle and it is divided into three parts, 1 2 3, and each is half. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, so these two till here it will represent you what? 2 by 3. To this 2 by 3, okay, you need to again divide half for that. Okay, so these two, if you divide half, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So if you divide 1 by 3 into two halves, you will get each as how much? 1 by 6. Okay, so we just need these four because it is 2 by 3. So we get how many? 1 6 parts in 2 by 3. We have 1 2 3 4. So answer will be 4 for you. If you just simplify this, okay, with the regular this thing, if I this one I will cross multiply. Okay, 2 by 3 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. This will be equal to 4 by 3. Alright, So this is it with your division of fractions. So we will do more problems on this, all this addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, also exercise problems in our Zoom meeting. Okay, I just want you to just show you one more time the pictorial representation of a normal fraction. Okay, if you have some mixed fraction, improper fraction like 12 by 5, okay, this is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. All right, so if I want to plot this, I will first convert this into mixed fraction. How do you convert this into mixed fraction? Divide it. So 5 2 is 10, remainder is 0. So your mixed fraction will be 2, remainder is 2 divided by 5. So now it's easy for us to plot this 2 2 by 5. So 2 is what? I will take 2 full. Okay, all right. So in the third one, you need to divide this third into how many? 5 parts. 1 2 1 2 3 4 and 5 equal parts, it should be there. Okay, and 2 regions are used. So this is 2 by 5. All right, and this is 1 2 2 whole 2. So all together your figure will be 2 2 by 5. Okay, and let me take simple one. So if I want to plot 2 by 5, okay, a proper fraction, this is because numerator is less than denominator. So this is very easy. I have only one to take one rectangle and divide it into what? Denominator is how much? 5. So divide it into 5 parts. 1 2 3 4 and 5, isn't it? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5, and it is 2 divided by 5. So 2 regions are used. That's all. This represents in the figure as 2 by 5. All right, I think let's stop till here for today. In the next class we will start with decimals. Okay, in next video, decimal is nothing but other form of, you have any number with point like 2.5. I hope you have seen this, 3.1 or 22.7, and so on. So you have a point, you call this as a decimal. Okay, actually this decimal is other form of representation of a fraction. Okay, fraction, we can represent this fraction in terms of decimal. So decimal number is nothing but other form of representation of a fraction. Alright, we will discuss about this in the next video, inshallah. Okay, until I meet again with a new video, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.